Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. My name is Juan Pablo Arias and this is my mom.
Hola.
In this time we are going to prepare a dish called tortilla de quebradense, which is a very delicious Colombian breakfast. So I hope that you will like it.
Let's start the preparation of the special dish of the breakfast tortilla de quebradense. The ingredients are the following: 5 eggs, butter, tomato, onion, and salt. Let's add potato, bacon, chorizo santarrosano, and chicharrón. This preparation is for 4 people. First, we must soak the chorizo, the bacon, and the chicharrón. We must split them or chop them very finely, and with oil we fried them previously. We must prepare the potatoes very well, wash it and steam them until they have a soft consistency and that can be manipulated. Then we will prepare the stew. Finally, chop the tomato and onion and add it to the pan with butter to taste, and we must wait until his mixture is well fried. Later, we will begin to incorporate the ingredients to what we had previously fried. That was Tarrosano sausage and chicharrón and bacon. Add them and go stirring. Add a little more butter and salt to taste. Try not to put too much salt, and that at the end, when the reduction is made, because we can pass the taste. Then we must have control. There we are adding it. Then one by one the eggs are mixing, and now we proceed to add the potato that has been cooked. We will add it in slices, and we will incorporating that the mixture is very consistent. The next step is to allow all the ingredients to blend perfectly. When you have had enough consistency, we place a hole in the pan to go with the final consistency. We wait for about 5 minutes, and we can remove. We don't remove the lid to keep it the consistency. Once cooled, we can take the tortilla on a plate, and this can be accompanied with chocolate or coffee with milk or some fruit juice.